you serious? What the fuck, man? Why? Oh. Oh, fuck. That's dangerous.
Fuck! Okay, this is better than nothing.
Yo, what's up?
What are you?
Why are you asking me that?
Because if you kill me, my body will self-report.
Oh, so you're the Canadian?
Yeah.
Again.
Yep.
Oh, well, I have a bounty on my head. What are you gonna do about it, Luca?
Luca, how
Ma.
dare you kill me like...
I didn't kill you. It was
Let me get your
Aster.
revenge. I won't tell anyone.
I'm gonna headbutt you! Ow.
Ow!
Oh,
What the
no,
hell?
no, no.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You.
What the hell? Oh my god. Guys, it's me though.
It's you? Okay, we won't tell anyone.
Who wants to die? Who
Kill
wants to
someone.
die?
Prove it.
Who wants to die?
Prove it. Kill someone. There you go.
Oh,
Get Aya.
okay. I'm gonna kill Aya right now.
Yeah, do it. Oh my god, he killed Aya!
Hey. Enna? Enna Holloway? Oh, I got a fancy watch. Maybe she went potty. Okay, I'm protecting her body. She went to the bathroom. I'm protecting her body. Stay away, Yugo! Stay away! I'm protecting Enna's body.
Okay.
Okay, stay away, Shu Yamino! I'm protecting Enna's body. Stay away, stay away.
Okay.
Oh, what happened? Oh, you're
You went
protecting.
potty.
Oh, okay. I thought Hannah was
yeah,
already
yeah,
dead,
yeah.
and you're trying to investigate
Okay.
or something.
No, I'm protecting her body.
Okay.
Oh, she's alive! Alright, Enna, let's kill these guys. Okay. Oh.
Aw, man.
Oh.
Killed Aya!
Huh?
Hey, Anna.
Happening?
Eh? Oh. Am I being
What's happening?
gaslit?
Wow, it's like still
Enna Holloway. Oh, hog. Nom.
Oh, I've been silenced. Interesting.
Enna?
Guys, real. Okay,
He's
listen.
silenced.
Alright,
And
I-
Oh
you
my
can-
God.
I killed Shu Yamino.
No, I think
I killed him.
did?
Enna being silenced?
Yes.
What a dream come true.
No, he might have actually. He might have actually.
I was with
Where's
Enna.
Shu?
Luca.
Where's
I
Shu
was
was
with Enna.
dying? Where? Could you tell me
Enna,
where?
she can't say
I
because she's
don't know.
silent.
His
Wait.
room.
Oh, she got silenced. She got
Yeah.
silenced.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was with Enna. I tried to eat the body after killing Shu.
My god.
Tried to eat
At this point, I'm just gonna
body.
vote Luca just for being Luca.
I think Luca just wants to be cannibal literally every time.
No,
I have a
I
question.
killed
Is that
him.
There's
Is
no
cannibal
way
a
he's a
real
dodo
role?
bird. I don't believe it.
I
Let's
have
just
a
skip that.
question. Yes.
Wait,
Yeah.
what if Luca is
Can
a
you
total
be
bird? I
silenced
don't
if
know.
you're an imposter, or can only geese be silenced? So with Enna being silenced, does that clear her then?
Chat? Chat who knows everything?
Mm.
Anyone
I actually
can be
don't
silenced.
know. I
Anyone-
literally killed
anyone-
Shu
even
Yamino in front of
imposters?
Enna.
Oh.
That's why
No,
Enna was
Enna-
silenced.
Vote
can-
Luca.
I
Vote
don't know.
Luca.
What if
If
what
he's a
if
dodo bird,
and
then
he's
what?
destroying
No,
her?
no, no,
Please
no,
don't
no,
vote
no,
Luca.
no.
Please.
Maybe we. I
Please
think
No,
we
no,
should
no,
don't
skip
no, no,
vote
guys.
Luca.
My chat is
But he
saying.
did the
Oh
last
shit!
game and
I
no
was
one
talking
voted
this
him.
whole time and nobody could hear me.
Enna?
I was muted.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hello?
So Enna
Shu
and
Yamino.
Pomu,
Hold
they were
on,
staying
hold on.
together.
Right,
Then
Enna?
there was also Shu.
Okay, wait, guys. Yugo is a really good actor. I swear to God, like Yugo acted last time, and I
No,
wasn't
no,
the
no, no,
imposter,
no.
but he
Enna, I'm
made me feel
protecting
like
you,
I was
Enna.
the imposter.
I'm protecting
And
you,
then
Enna.
Luca
Yes,
said,
me too.
And I'm protecting
Sorry,
you.
I can't tell.
Oh.
I'm protecting
Anna, you're saying
you.
that you
Okay,
go
but
to-
where was the body?
I don't know.
What?
But you reported it.
No, I just wanted to tell you guys that
Yugo's a good actor, but I was muted the whole time.
Oh my god.
Seems like I win again.
Fuck, I went to the bathroom and I muted.
Okay, well. Shit, I didn't even know I was muted the whole time.
Oh my god.
I know, that was crazy.
Why everyone suspecting me?
I thought you were going again. I thought you were suspecting me. That's why.
Enna, I know you're safe. I know you're safe. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you, Yugo.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay. Oh shit! What happened? What's that? Wow.
I don't know how to use this.
You're lucky, Yugo. Okay.
I don't know.
Next time. Okay.
Oh my god, that's scary. Oh, shit.
Do you hear me, Luca?
What's that?
Do you hear me? You almost got it. You almost got it. Aster was so ready to vote for you.
I know.
Yeah.
Only Enna voted.
I hate this. I hate this game.
I'm
leaving.
I don't understand how we can win this with Luca playing.
Hello.
No, we have to just get Luca out immediately. If he's the freaking dodo, he just deserves to win.
Wait, can I? I'm the sheriff. Can I die if I hit him? Is he technically a goose if he's a dodo?
Wait,
No,
I'll
you don't die even if you get it wrong.
I'll
Let's
get
go
rid
kill
of him.
Luca.
I'll
Come
get
on
rid of
now.
him.
Let's go find him.
I'm the sheriff. I can shoot him.
I was so
Eat me.
lucky. Yeah?
You're so dumb.
What?
Why did you say that at the end?
Oh, hello.
Oh, because I'm the killer.
Yeah, let's go find Luca.
What?
Let's
Hey,
I'm
Luca.
gonna shoot him.
Get him!
No.
Get him!
I'm
Kill
not-
him!
I'm not
Kill
lying when I say
him!
this. I am.
Kill him!
There he is.
I literally am.
Luca!
Kill him!
What?
Yeah! Oh my god! Yeah!
Go, finally.
Who did
Justice
that?
is being served.
I didn't do it.
Now
I'm the
no
sheriff and I
one
didn't do
report it.
that.
Everybody just go your separate
Wait.
ways. We saw
Okay,
nothing.
let's pretend nothing happened.
Wait, hold on. Wait. But I'm not the sheriff. Who killed him then? Who killed him? I'm the sheriff. Okay, thank you, Maria. Thank you.
Okay, no, we're not ignoring that. Okay. Oh wait, there's a silence period. Is there like a silence?
okay.
Is there a silence period or something?
Okay. Because everyone is silent except for you.
reported
Who?
to explain what happened. Okay, so like we were a bunch of us, and then like people like Luca was saying that he was a killer, and then like Ren was just like, get him, and then there was 2 people on him, and then he died,
Ren.
and then he was just like, let's just pretend nothing happened.
But who? Okay, we agree. Like, hold on. Oh, I heard people in agreement. Like, let's kill him. That means who killed him though? Because that means you're a duck. Who killed him?
Whoever killed him did a great service to the community. He was trolling. He was throwing.
Vigilante.
Can we just skip then? Can we just skip?
Yeah, let's
we
just
can
skip.
What the
Wait,
fuck?
who's a vigilante?
Yeah, not information.
Oh my god.
I'm the sheriff though.
Who is the vigilante?
I'm the sheriff.
There is a sheriff, yeah.
It's me, and I didn't kill him. And I didn't kill him, so someone among us killed him, and it's not me.
Among Us?
Baby.
Did someone just say Among Us?
Shut the fuck up, Aster.
Among Us?
Title drop?
Among Us? I know you're high pitched.
I'm a big sus of Ren.
do
I'm a
die.
big sus
Oh,
of Ren.
Hugo's dead. Oh no,
Hey, Ren actually might be the dodo, so.
That's true.
Yeah, be
Could
careful,
Hugo just
don't
die?
vote
Too, nobody noticed.
Actually,
You
Yeah,
noticed?
don't let him win. Okay. That's right, Yugo. I hope you're malding right now. This is what you get. That's right. Don't forget who your senpai is. Revenge is the sweetest in the world.
I mean, I was there
Okay,
too. That's why.
I think it might have been
so I
food
don't
chan.
like
It might have been
that.
food chan because
Yeah.
they were talking
I
about
swear
it
to God,
earlier
it's
while
Ren,
the
guys.
conversation.
You know, I feel like it might be Ren, yeah. Yes. What? Where am I going? Oh, what? What's happening? Oh. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Wow.
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Hey.
Can you hear me?
Hey, Pomu.
Yeah.
God damn it!
What happened?
Pomu. Oh.
What happened?
She fucking murdered me. Luca?
Should have voted for me, you know?
You throw so much. You're the biggest troll in this game.
Thing is, no one wants to believe me. No one wants to believe me.
I wonder why.
Believe me.
Look at my dead body.
Some people to believe me.
Look how messed up this is.
You got sussed.
Okay, I'm gonna follow Elira because I'm scared and she's smart.
Okay, I don't even know what.
I swear it's run, guys. I swear it's run. I swear it is.
I haven't seen Ren in a while, actually.
Wait, how did you do that?
What, talk on the thingy?
Yeah.
I don't know. Am I warping somewhere? Nope. Bye.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Yeah, for Ren.
Fucking bitch.
It's Enna. It's Enna!
Hello? Hello?
It's Enna. It's Enna. It's Enna.
For the first 5 seconds.
You have. Oh my god.
It's Enna. Uki's the
No,
Canadian.
it's not. It's
Uki's the
funny.
Canadian. It's Enna.
How do you know he's Canadian?
How can I confirm this? Because I was with Uki the first round, and we were
You
together, and
literally came
Uki
and visited
literally
me in
told me
Canada,
that he was
so-
Canadian.
No, that's not true. First of all, I know that's a lie because I'm Canadian.
He changed his identification.
It automatically reports the person on their body, which is Enna, which means Enna is the killer.
We're Canadian.
Okay,
be fair,
Aster,
Enna
look, I
is
know I
Canadian.
blamed you last time and I got it wrong. And you
Trust
were
me.
right.
Oh my God, please.
Okay, I'm sorry. I
I
thought
don't know, Aster.
I thought it legit it was you. Okay, you don't have to. Revenge
You
is
came
not
forward
Who did you
after
vote
Luca
for?
and look,
Revenge
he's dead.
is
Vote for
not-
Enna.
worth it.
This isn't about revenge. It's
Also-
about the facts.
Revenge is not worth
Straight
it.
facts,
Fucking
no
liar.
filter.
I don't
I believe
understand.
it.
I don't understand Zoomer language.
Thank you,
I'm
Elira.
sorry.
Thank you.
Wait, who
Also,
are
Red-
we voting?
And
You can either
Enna,
vote for
or
Enna
ornithophobia.
or
Yeah, that one.
Aster.
That's the
Aster's
same
one
person.
accusing Enna because she's saying that Uki's the Canadian.
Oh.
At
So
least
he's
I
an
have
or.
proof. Enna's just saying stuff.
What we know for sure is Ren wasn't a bad guy, so he was either the vigilante or he was just like mixed up in that.
Wait, hold on. I have a
incident.
question. What does the vigilante do?
The vigilante can
kill
kill someone
someone,
and just get away with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
that
why I
like
thought it
a
was
killer?
Ren, because he's a
Killer.
vigilante.
Ah.
What? You're just allowed to
I'll
kill
vote
and
Enna.
wait,
Wait, why are you
Yeah.
voting for me?
I mean,
Oh.
Aster seems.
No way!
People.
Oh, they threw.
God.
They just fucking threw.
You guys! Ah!
Aster!
Wow, they
I
just
never
threw. They just threw.
Am I that unbelievable? Am I that unbelievable? Come on.
Aster, I'm sorry. I'm gonna believe you every single round from now on.
Dude, like, the facts are there. Oh my god.
Fucking Enna.
No.
Of course you would fucking kill me. Fucking bitch.
Yeah, that's even another thing. Enna kills you, of all people.
What? Sorry. Oh man, he was getting to the good part too. Damn, this is what you get, fucking Iluna members. That's right, bitch. That's right. That's right. Respect your elders. Okay. I hope Uki is malding hard right now. That's right. It's about time that bitch learns their place. Oh shit, what's this?
Okay, tasks are no longer necessary. I'm only here for chaos.
Oh, I have no idea what. Come back, get to the other side. Come back, shit.
I forgot to get on.
Hi guys.
Keeping the Canadian is solid truth. Oh my god.
Fucking bitch.
And you get. That's right.
If Enna ever says revenge isn't worth it,
So many people.
then you know that's her.
I mixed up the people.
That's right. My goal
Enna
is
would
to-
take
my goal is to
revenge
separate
in.
Luna and Uki.
half a fucking second.
I can see I'm not
Fucking
trusting
bitch.
Enna.
That's right.
Are you happy
I
now?
should go now because I'm scared.
Enna.
No.
Are you happy?
Give me vigilante.
Are you happy now? Enna?
One more.
Yeah, I'm happy now. Now we're
Give
on
me
good
vigilante.
terms.
Nice.
Wait, Luca, what were
Can
you?
we be
Actually, I
friends
didn't
again?
pay attention.
Yeah,
I
we
was-
could
I
be
was the-
friends
I was
again.
the-
Okay. I love you, bitch.
And no one believed me there either. Oh my
I was
god.
the silencer?
Yeah, I love you.
Yugo, I hope you're malding right now. This is what you get.
Bitch. Fucking bitch.
Silence period.
How come you could do that?
Is there like a silence? Is there a silence? Okay, because
Fucking
everyone is
bitch.
silent except for you.
Who reported to explain what happened.
Holy shit.
Okay, so like there was we were a bunch of us, and then like
You
people,
are
like
the
Luca was saying
fucking
that he was a killer.
actress.
And
At
then,
this point,
and then like Ren was just like, get him!
holy
And
shit.
then there was 2 people on him, and then he died.
Ren, okay, hold on.
And then
I mean,
he was just
good
like,
job,
let's just
good job.
pretend nothing
I
happened.
like it.
But who? Okay, we agree. Like, hold on.